All right, so this is going to be a raw video. There will be no editing, and I want you to think that I'm sitting right in front of you and I'm talking to you face to face as a brother. If you want to make your very first 100K in 2024, then this video is for you. I'm not going to tell you that you're going to make a million. You can, but that is a bit unrealistic, especially when you're just starting out with trading or whatever field you're in. But I will talk about trading specifically for this video because you guys are traders and my whole channel team is trading, right? So this is how I actually made over 100K in a year. And I'm going to share each and every tip that I can give you. So the number one tip that I can give you is lose bad friends. Now, if you are drinking and smoking weed with your friends every single day, then that is going to destroy you and your trading career. Choose one day, especially it could be Sunday, where you hang out with your friends. But if there are friends who want you to hang out with them daily and do these things, then it's best to lose them because you do not want to be with them. You don't have to reward yourself by doing nothing. You're just rewarding yourself by not achieving anything, and it should not be like that. Well, if you're making consistent profits and you are, making a good amount of money every single month, then you are allowed to celebrate the way you want. But if you're just starting out as a beginner or you are starting to take trading seriously, then it's time that you cut off those friends who want to hang out with you every single day. Right? Just choose Sunday and hang out with them. Number two tip that I can give you is backtest more than you trade. I completely understand that live trading is exciting, right? It gives you dopamine. Whenever you see those blue numbers going up in profit, you get that dopamine hit and it makes trading addictive. The thing here is that you do not have to make trading addictive. You have to make trading boring. Once trading seems boring to you, that's when you start to become profitable. You stop over trading, you stop revenge trading because trading is boring for you. So I want you to only backtest more than you trade. So let's suppose that you have 24 hours in a day, right? And you want to be on the computer screen for around 6 hours per day, right? I want you to backtest for 3 or 4 hours and then only look at the charts. And if the setup is presented to you, then trade it. Do not trade more than you backtest, even if you are profitable, because you always want to be learning, guys. Now, here's the thing. Trading has been here for so long, right? For so many years. If there was a holy grail, every single person would be profitable, right? It all comes down to risk management, all right? So you can have any strategy in the world, but if your risk management is not good and you have not backtested your model to a degree where it's just not, you don't even know if it's profitable, then it's best to avoid trading, guys. Backtest for more than 1 year. You should have at least 1 year of data because that's going to build discipline, and that's how you will improve your psychology, and that's how you're going to make profits. Without a profitable trading model, things are not going to work out. I know a lot of people say that psychology is more important than your trading strategy, or risk management is important than your trading strategy. That is true to some degree, but if you don't even have a model that can make profits, then what's the point of psychology and risk management, right? So there are a bunch of videos on my channel. You can watch them and maybe you will learn something from them. Now, tip number 3 is daily meditation and journaling. Now, whenever you wake up as a beginner, I want you to only meditate for 10 seconds, all right? In the beginning, it's going to make you get used to meditating. It's going to feel hard in the beginning, but with time, it's going to improve. And what does meditation actually do, right? It greatly releases the stress. It makes you focus on things more perfectly, right? You'll be able to focus more and with great vision when you're looking at the charts, right? If you don't meditate, your brain is going to be filled with so many things going on that you will not be able to focus on the charts properly. So as a beginner, start with meditating for 10 seconds per day and then gradually increase up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There are a bunch of videos on YouTube. You can watch them and they're going to greatly help you. Now, number 2 that I said before is journaling, right? So whenever you wake up, just write down on a notebook what you're happy about. So if you're happy about the breakfast you had, just write it down. If you're happy about small little things, right? We miss out on so many things that we forget about them and we just stress ourselves with negativity instead of positivity. So when you are in a positive state, you will automatically trade well. All right. So whenever you wake up, just journal, write down the things that you're grateful for every single day. It's gonna take like 2 to 3 minutes per day, but write down you are grateful for breakfast. You're grateful for your parents, right? You're grateful that you have an opportunity to make money with trading. And these things may seem dumb, right? You might be watching me and you might be saying, okay, what is he talking about? What the fuck is he talking about? But that is the reality, guys. Trading is not about trading strategy. It comes with other things as well. You have to improve as a person, right? Another tip that I can give you is just find your model and stick to it. So once you backtest and find the strategy that is profitable to some degree, so let's say that you are getting like 43 or 44% win rate with 1 to 2 risk reward on average, that is a perfect model, and stick to it. All right. Anyone who tells you that you can get 70 or 80% win rate with 1 to 2 risk reward consistently is lying to you. If that was the case, I would be a billionaire. You would be a billionaire. Every single person would be a billionaire. So that is an absolute lie, and you should not believe in that. Now, what other tip that I can give you is unfollow all the gurus except 1 or 2. So if you are following like 100 gurus, there are so many gurus on Twitter, I can't even remember. But if you're following each and every one of them, you're going to lose money, because every guru out there teaches something different. They have their own way of teaching, right? My style of teaching is different from all the other gurus, and their style is different from me, and their style is different from each other, right? In general. So if you follow them and start learning different things and mixing everything together, that is going to ruin your trading. I want you to only follow 1 or 2 gurus and learn from them, right? If you find out that, okay, they are probably not profitable, they're just joking around, then it's best to move to another guru. But first of all, understand that I can give you the best strategy in the world, but without personal experience with the charts and the markets, you will not make any profits. So you have to practice. It's not like if you find a guru, he's gonna make you instantly profitable. That's not gonna be the case, right? He's gonna give you like trading strategies. He's gonna show you how he trades, but the real work has to be done by you, and that's done through backtesting, forward testing, and journaling. That's how you actually make money. That's how you improve. As a guru, I can only guide you and show you my trading strategies, but the real work starts with you. So follow all the unnecessary gurus out there and follow 1 or 2, and you will see insane results. Now, here's another tip. Journal your trades. So journal, when did you take this winning trade? What was the time? What was the day, right? How did you get the entry? Was that an auto block? Was that a fair value gap? Was there a mixture of auto block and fair value gap? Were they in like conjunction with each other? Just journal these small things, and with the passage of time, you will perfect your model. You will increase the win rate from 42 or 43% up to 55 or even 50, I would say 60%, right? In some cases. So journaling is really important. Journal at what time of the day did you take this trade? What pair did you take this trade on? What asset were you trading on, right? These things matter. And with data, you can improve, right? See, a doctor takes so many years to finally he starts to make money, right? Similarly, a soldier, he goes through training for years and finally gets into the army, and similarly, that's the same case with trading, guys. Like, I would say it takes years, 1 or 2 years at minimum. Like, it might be different case for you or anybody else, but this is how you basically have to stay patient, guys. Like, this is the point of trading. But if you follow these steps that I'm telling you, you can be on the right track to make your first 100K in 2024. And I guarantee you that. Now, here's a little boring. It might be boring for you. This tip might be boring for you, but spend time with your family. And what it does, it just improves your mood, right? As a human, you need connection. As a human, you need to have conversation every single day. It's good for your brain, right? Once you start spending time with your family, it's just going to greatly improve your psychology. It's going to greatly improve your mood. It's going to help you with trades. And you will notice that once you do that personally, right? I can tell you that, but you will be like, okay, he's saying shit. But in reality, these things work, okay? And another tip that I can give you is make new friends who are into trading. Now, it's really hard to find friends who are into trading. So what you can do is go onto Twitter and find like-minded traders in your city or in your area and just trade with them. Now, as a group, when you work together, you will learn things from them and they will learn things from you. And as a team, you can make a model, you can work together. It's like literally the best tip out of all the tips that I've given you. Make friends who are into trading and trade with them. Decide whenever you guys want to trade and sit together and trade the New York session or the London session, whatever is convenient for you. So I think this video should be it, guys. This was a totally raw video. Whatever came to my mind, I said, because I think these things have helped me. All right, that's what I do every single day. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Take care for now.